Today I'm going to show you one of the strongest investment opportunities in Abu Dhabi right now, and why this launch in ADGM, this is a good play for rental yields and capital appreciation as well. Here is the big picture. With the extension of ADGM to Reem Island, Abu Dhabi created one of the biggest financial hubs in the whole country, and it operates under British common law, which is very important for financial companies which now actively relocating to Abu Dhabi. And here I have a report from ADREC. ADREC, this is Abu Dhabi Real Estate Centrum, something similar to DLD that we have in Dubai Land Department. And as they say, in Abu Dhabi Real Estate Center is the government entity mandated to transform the real estate sector of Abu Dhabi. And the most interesting part about this presentation is the numbers. Let's say we have here information that registered firms in ADGM grew by 30% in the past year, and assets under management rose for 245%, and new operating licenses increased by 67% in Q1 2025. By the way, this presentation is very interesting. If you are looking for investment in Abu Dhabi, I will put a link to this presentation into the video description. Please take a look. And today we have a Sunstone by IMKAN. This is a new project which sits on Makers Promenade. Makers Promenade, this is a part of community by IMKAN, and it is a 1 kilometer climate control area with a walkway, and I think this is going to be one of the most desirable area in the whole island, and I have few reasons for it. First of all, early entering prices, ADGM jurisdiction, low supply because there is still not enough, and the upside here is very clear. You can see the numbers which I prepared, and you will understand that it's absolutely real. And for those who forgot, I just want to remind that my name is Daniel and I am a portfolio manager. I am a numbers guy and help international clients to invest in property here in UAE, especially in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We pick only products with the fundamentals, with numbers, and our decision is data driven. And now let's go deep and take a look on the new IMKAN's project. Sunstone is a residential tower by IMKAN with only 327 units and 28 floors. We have large layouts here from 1,066 square foot all the way to 5,200 square foot for the sky suites. We have direct access to the Makers Beach. This is a very rare thing for Al Reem. Not many projects has access to the beach. We have walkable, vibrant waterfront community with good amenities like cinema, gym. We have a proper gym in the building, 2 floors. Many developers nowadays trying to make it small, but here is a proper one. I like it. We have resident lounge and large pool deck. Also, a few words regarding Makers District. Just to get an idea, Makers District, this is something as we have in Dubai Design District. This is a creative hub, place for creative people with the amenities for creative people. And same, Makers District is a waterfront creative hub on Reem Island. This is creative hub for Abu Dhabi. Also, we have 5 minutes away from Galleria Mall, Cleveland Clinic. We have universities already existing there, let's say Sorbonne. So the area is developing pretty fast. Now the payment plan, we have here a very investor-friendly payment plan, 50-50. It means 10% plus 2% ADM on the booking and 40% during construction and 50% on handover. Handover is in Q3 2028. And this means you only expose 50% of the capital before completion, which makes it ideal for flipping to the closer to the handover. In terms of prices today only approximate, but what we have, 1 bedrooms from 1,066 square foot, and the starting prices is around 1.6 million dirhams, 2 bedroom for 1,539 square foot with starting prices 2.5 million, 3 bedroom 2,357 square foot for 4 million, and huge sky views, and even 4-bedroom to be confirmed, but still it's gonna be from 2,691 square foot, and starting price is 6.8 million dirhams. And compared to all upcoming launches inside ADGM, these prices are still at very early stage, and it gives us a very clear advantage. I will give you numbers lately. Now let me show you a very realistic financial model that I prepared. You can download it. I will put it in the description to the video. So I decided to take a 2-bedroom. As I said, I prefer this more over 1-bedrooms because supply for 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom is lower, and IREM is a kind of family-friendly community. There are gonna be many professionals from financial sectors, so and many of them gonna be with kids. So 2-bedroom is a good option in my opinion. So let's take 1,700 square foot. I would say purchase price with a direct sea view gonna be around 2.8 million, and it means price per square foot is 1,647 dirham. Let's say we pay also ADM. ADM is Abu Dhabi municipality that we pay to the government, 2%, 56,000. So it means our total investment is 2,856,000. And based on market trends inside ADGM and expected price growth in this zone, the resale target for me gonna be 2,300 dirham per square foot. And it looks for me absolutely achievable because it's the prices that we have now in Bukhara, in Dubai, in development area. But I would say that IREM has much more potential than the previous one that I mentioned. So, and if we will exit this property for 2,300 dirham per square foot, it gives us exit price at around 3.9 to 4 million dirhams. And meaning the upside is around 1,054,000 dirham, and because you invest only 50% before handover, your actual exposure of the capital is around 1,456,000, which means we have a return of 72% in 3 years. Again, and these numbers are very conservative in my opinion. Also, we have here pretty legit, I would say, rental model. Expected rent is around 160 dirham per square foot. I just took the numbers that we have now in the area and scarcity of the product, and potentially in 3 years the rent price will going up in Abu Dhabi slowly. So 160 dirham per square foot, it means that we're gonna make around 272,000 dirham for 1,700 square foot apartment. And after service charges, it makes us net around 8.7 to 9%, which is really excellent offer in my opinion, and it's really achievable. So now let's make a summary and discuss why I believe in this play and why I think that IREM is a good idea to invest today. So first of all, ADGM expansion, and this has become one of the strongest financial jurisdiction in the whole country. All global banks, hedge funds, family offices, they want to have a British common law because it's very easy and safe for them and for the clients. It's very important, and we know that BlackRock, Apollo and other big names are opening already offices there. They bringing professionals there. Residential supply inside ADGM is very low. Sunstone has a prime ADGM site location on Makers Promenade. We have a waterfront. Also, as I said, we have access to the beach. Also very good thing. Early stage pricing, friendly payment plan, 50-50. It's like made for investors. I like that IMKAN didn't put prices too high. They still give a space for investors. If you want to invest in Sunstone, compare layouts or discuss my financial model, you can drop me a message, link below. And thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your comments, likes and support. Let's build your portfolio together wisely. Thank you.